Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change the external mouse settings on Mac. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. This window will pop up. Scroll down to Mouse. This is it. And from here, or from this page, you can adjust the external mouse tracking speed. For example, this is the slow, and this is the fast. Personally, I prefer my external mouse cursor to be or tracker to be fast. Here you can change the external mouse scrolling direction by checking this box, this box or not. And for the secondary click, you can set it to be the click on the right side or the left side of the external mouse. And for the double click speed, you can, if you work fast, you adjust it to be fast. If you are slow to click, go with slow to let your MacBook know when you double click when you double click your mouse. Also, you can also adjust the external mouse scrolling speed. From here, personally, I prefer it to be this way. And this is how to change the external mouse settings on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.